Good morning, this is Merly, and in this opportunity I am going to speak a little bit about what I enjoy to do in my free time. Well, in my free time, I enjoy too much to spend time with my son. We enjoy to do activities like reading, write, and exercise. Our favorite activity is reading bike. I think that this sport has changed our life, and this sport is very interesting. Reading bike has changed the life of the most of people. This sport is very common nowadays because through it you can know different places and different people, and also this sport lets you share time with your family, with your friends, and to do exercise in order to take care your health. This sport lets you to experience different feelings, emotions. For example, when you are climbing, you can feel tired, but when you are going down, you feel excited. But the most important or the most meaningful feeling is when you arrive at the top. You feel satisfied, and I think that is good for you, for your health, because you are spend your free time in activities that help you in your health and in your emotions too. And thank you so much.